St. Great Lakes. We are just getting off the 71 and getting back onto the 17. If you've seen the other videos of just a beautiful scenery, then that would be the 71. Just waiting on this Greyhound or coach bus to move. Okay. We're on our way to Winnipeg. Hope you like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us greatly, and we can keep on giving you these beautiful sceneries. It's definitely snowed here. It's definitely the winter time now. I don't think I'm going to see anything else but snow for the next while. But it does make it to look beautiful. I like the fact that the road is dry, but you can still see the snow. I am 134 miles to the 101 that goes around Winnipeg. I got like 4 deliveries to do tomorrow. it's like a blizzard, stay with your vehicle. At least you have shelter there. Do not wander out, because you can really get lost very easily. You can have a house, 50 feet from you. But when you're in a blizzard, you can't see nothing. That house might as well not be there. You won't be able to see it. So, a little bit of friendly advice. Make sure you have lots of warm clothes, tooth, gloves, blankets, candles, lighters, some dry food that you can munch on or eat, something that will make you last a little while. Have that in your vehicle. Like I said, a radio, extra batteries, your survival kit, right? I know, from what I understand, the people from that city got together and they had the snowmobiles out, and they were rescuing people from their vehicles, bringing them back there to their place where they were nice and warm, and saved them. But there was a lot that well, there's not, I don't know if there's a lot, there's enough, there's a few that never got saved. And I do know that there was some death, some people froze to death in their vehicles, or trying to find help. And that's the sad part. That's the sad part. I know when I was in it, before the road opened up a little bit, so I was able to move. I was one of the few that was able to get out without getting stuck. There was a couple of people, there was like 3 people in a car in front of me, and all I was thinking was, if I'm stuck here all night, I'm going to knock on their doors and get them into my truck. And, keep them warm. I have 2 beds in here. I have heat. I have everything that they would need to survive. I even got some food in. I got some water. I got everything. But people in front of me, like I was able to get out. And the people behind me too, the people in the car behind me was able to get out too, but I think the next truck between me and the car behind me, I think that driver got stuck and stopped the line again. Because how it went was, we were there, and there was an accident. There was a bit of a curve going down a hill a little bit, and a curve, and guessing a truck got stuck on my side. A bunch of trucks got stuck on the other side as well, and they got the one truck out, and then the line started moving again, and it'd be like 3 or 4 truck lengths away of that much of a distance, and then the line would stop again, and then we'd be there for a couple more hours. So it would open up, and then a driver would get stuck, or a car would get stuck, and stop the line, stop everything from moving. And I was lucky enough that I was able to get out, because I was told if I didn't get out by about 5 o'clock that evening, I was more likely going to get stuck there, because there was already 2.5 feet of snow out there now at that time, and they were asking by the end of the night a total of 5 feet was going to be out beautiful, isn't it?